What's going on, Sneaker Talk fam? Welcome back to a brand new sneaker haul video. Today we have a bunch of new sneaker pickups to show you guys, along with the brand new OffWhite sneakers I was able to win a raffle on. And we also got some Pokemon pickups as well. Now, we're not going to unbox all of the Pokemon stuff in this video, but I do want to show you guys a small little teaser of what you can expect on the new Pokemon channel I just started. So we'll be opening up 3 packs from this Pokemon Kanto Powers tin, this Mewtwo tin. And they mentioned Pokemon channel just now. That's because I just started a Pokemon channel. So if you guys want to subscribe, I'll leave it linked down below. We'll be doing some giveaways for some Pokemon cards over on there. If you don't know, I'm a huge fan of Pokemon. I'm not just hopping on this trend because of Logan Paul. I know some of you guys might be thinking that. I even used to have a dedicated trading card game channel a few years ago. So we're just getting back into it now with Pokemon. So this set just came out today. The Marnie Premium Collection Champions Path set. So we'll be opening this up on my second, or not even my second channel, my Pokemon channel. If you want to know what it's called SneakerTalk TCG. We have 2 sets. One of them I'll be opening up on the channel, and the other I will be setting aside to just have basically as an investment. Some stonks, gonna resell it later on. We pulled a Shining Rayquaza yesterday, which is like a $400, $500 card in a PSA 10. And yeah, so stick around for the Pokemon card unboxing at the end of the video, or subscribe to my new Pokemon channel. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm not gonna get too much into it right now. We're gonna get into the sneaker unboxing, or the sneaker haul at this time. So let's do it. So as you guys know, I've been picking up sneakers throughout the last few weeks, and this is some of the stuff that I managed to procure. This right here is an Air Jordan 6 that pretty much sold out instantly, but I walked into a mall, Eden Center, the Foot Action store there, and they had these sitting. This is the Air Jordan 6 DMP. Premium gold, black box, really nice packaging. Pop open this lid, and here we go. Now, the unfortunate thing, the very unfortunate thing with this right here is, well, they're mad tiny. They're super small. Can you guess the size off the top of your head, or just looking at these? These are a size 8. I personally wanted a size 10, but I just couldn't find one. So we got the size 8. And again, I was super lucky. I just walked into the Foot Action and happened to see these on the shelves. Like, I could not believe that these were sitting, and they were just retail price. I plan to flip these for maybe $20 over retail or so. And if there's a channel member out there who wants these for retail, hit your boy up. But yeah, these are really nice quality. I love the gold on these things. The black and gold combo is really killer. I like the little chromish metallic gold hit on the back spoiler right here too. And they have the 23 Jumpman on the back. Really dope pair. And again, I picked these up for retail months after the release. These sold out, and they were sitting like a week, or not even a week. This was sitting like well after the release. I asked the employees about them, and I was like, was this a return? They're like, yep, it was a return. And I got there 1 hour after they got returned. So they just got returned, put back onto the shelf, and your boy copped them. Next up, we have a pair of Air Jordan 11 lows, which are now sold out. And I picked these up about a month or so ago. Just haven't showed them to you guys now. And this is a sneaker I wanted to invest into, probably resell around the holiday season, because 11s are easily one of the most popular Jordans of all time. So here it is. You guys might recognize the box. There haven't been too many Air Jordan 11 lows to release recently. No regular black and gold box. This is sort of like the Jordan 10 box I'm super used to seeing. But yeah, let's pop open this lid. Here we go. These are the Air Jordan 11 low Concord breads, or bread Concords. Really great colorway. It is not an OG colorway. It's pretty much a combination of the Concords and the breads, the upper of the Concords and the outsole of the breads. A really fantastic summer shoe, although summer is now over. I managed to pick up not one, but I managed to pick up 2 pairs. 2 pairs. I made sure to grab the other right pair so I could prove to you guys there's 2 pairs. But yeah, we got 2 pairs of the Air Jordan 11 Low Concord bread, or bread Concord. One of these I was able to get for $20 off because I had a coupon for Foot Locker from the VIP program, you know, their little loyalty thing. And then the other one I copped for retail. And both of these were the last one in stock at both of the stores I went to. One was Foot Locker House of Hoops. The other one was the Jordan store. RIP Jordan store, you are now gone. The really unfortunate thing is I actually wanted to try one of these sneakers, just have them out in my collection and wear them a lot, but both of these are size 9.5. 9.5, so too small for me. I need a size 10. So if you are a size 10, if you have a size 10 of these and would like to size swap in your local and in Toronto, I'm down to size swap. If not, I will be selling these for maybe $10 to $20 over retail, or maybe retail if you're a channel member. But yo, shout out to the Sneaker Talk family, and shout out to Foot Locker and Jordan Store for still having these months after the release. I don't know why these sat for so long, but they did. And this is a sneaker, I only see their value going up and up and up, just like all other 11s have gone up over the last few years. So yeah, Concord Breads, that is the second and third sneaker pickup. All right, before we get to the final sneaker unboxing right here, I do want to pop open this Pokemon Kanto Power tin. So let me grab a scissor and show you guys the packs. These come with a little coin right here. This is like a Alolan Ninetales we got going on, real shiny. We also get a little cardboard Mewtwo right here. And if you have the other collector tins from the set, it actually creates like a full image. Like it's pretty cool. And then, whoa, this was not a pack I was expecting. We actually got XY Ancient Origins in here. What else do we got in here? I've never gotten an XY Ancient Origins out of these. We got Crimson Invasion, and that's it. Oh, I am completely thrown off right now. I just got this set mixed up with the Pokeball tins, because the Pokeball tins, these right here, this is a Dusk Ball. I also have a Premier Ball in the background. Not sure if you can see it. These have the 3 packs. I don't know why I was thinking these had 3 packs. The Kanto Power tins, or these small tins, only have 2 packs. However, one of them is like a sought after pack. So we got the XY Ancient Origins. So one of these packs actually go for $12 plus tax in Canada. And the Crimson Invasion, probably one of the worst sets in Pokemon history. Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, they go for like $4 or $3. People just don't really like this set. So we'll open up the Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion set right now. We'll save the XY Ancient Origin for the end of the video, and we might be able to pull like a $300 card from this. That's why the pack is so expensive. But let's pop open this pack right here, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. Bad sign already. This is a green code card, and typically for the green code cards, they don't have the nice hollows that we want, so we'll do forward to the front. We'll open this together. Fire Energy. We got a, I can't read this. We got a Hakamo'o. Okay, we got a Counter Catcher. We have a Haunter. We have a Swinub, a Jigglypuff. We got a Houndour. I love Houndour and Houndoom. Pikachu. Wow, it's a cool art. I like this art for this Pikachu card. Oh, oopsie. We got the Skiddo. Never seen this one before. A Pillow Swine Reverse Hollow, and a Gourgeist. So that is kind of ass, kind of disappointing, but at least we do have the Ancient Origins to look forward to the end of the video. And for the Pokemon channel, I won't be unboxing or opening the packs like I just did. I'll have the proper setup in that video, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my Pokemon channel, Sneaker Talk TCG. I'll leave it linked down below. All right, so I really don't have like great luck at all when it comes to sneaker raffles. Usually I have other people enter for me alongside myself. So I'll have my sister or my girlfriend or my mom, just to increase my odds. I'm sure you guys do that too. But for once, I finally won something personally. And I've taken so many L's from all these raffles over the last few months. It feels good to finally win a raffle. So these were actually purchased from Livestock, and they do an email only raffle, which is really good for combating bots. So you have to make a Livestock account, and then they verify that you're not like a spam account, and they verify that it's proper account and not some like bot account kind of thing, like just a made up BS one. I got lucky, won the raffle, paid full retail for these. And it took like a week to ship out, because although Livestock has a downtown location in Toronto, they shipped from the Vancouver location, or the British Columbia location. So whew, that is a shiny box. Look at that. You can see the Toronto skyline in the reflection of the box. That is so cool. That's so sick. All right, so let's turn up the ISO, because we are getting a little dark right now. There we go. That should be a bit better. Oh, there we go. Good, they got the right size. So here they are It is so reflective. This box is so cool. Definitely something I'm sure some collectors or people who like to display their shoe boxes would like. This is really dope. So as you guys can probably guess by the box if you've seen videos on this shoe already, these are the Nike Air Rubber Dunk Low. I don't know why, but I also thought these were an SB for a while. Let's pop open this lid. Ooh, we got some cool off-white paper. I think that deserves a little zoom in action. Show you guys the details right here. It says 2020 M male fall winter off-white, and then it says Y 2013 at the bottom. Maybe that was the year that off-white was conceived. I know Ablo. I know that Virgil did stuff like well before off-white, but yeah, maybe that was the year off-white was conceived. Take out the paper, and ooh, here we go. Jeez. Okay. Not as good smelling as an Air Jordan 1, but still smells solid. These are made in China. Made in China tag right there. And I'm actually really surprised for some of these collections that they don't have them made in somewhere in Europe. Like, I mean, it is off-white. So I know not everything Off-White does or Virgil does is made in China for the most part when it comes to the main line. But yeah, here we go, guys. These are the Off-White Dunk Lows, right? These are so sick. These are so sick. I can't wait to wear these. This was a personal cop. Not planning to resell these. I don't even know what resell is for these. I should probably check, but here's Editing Christian putting in the resale prices right now, currently on the StockX, for example, or eBay. And yeah, these are a size 10, my size, perfect beater shoe. This all black and green upper is very bold, very loud, very trendy. I gotta say, this is going to be a neck breaking shoe, kinda, because the green is so loud in contrast with the black. So it's not something you see very often on feet. But of course, got the orange zip tie right here. And it kind of reminds me, this sneaker kind of reminds me of the Nike Air More Up Tempo. I think it just might be because the way this material on the side really shines and sticks out compared to the rest of the shoe. So it reminds me of the bold Air font that is on the side of the Air More Up Tempo. Then of course we got the Off-White branding on the inside, that text in white just over top of the upper. And overall, I gotta say I'm quite happy with this pickup. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these Off-White Dunks right here. Are these a cop? Are these a drop? Did you guys try and grab these? Did you enter a raffle? And of course, let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite sneaker was from today's video. Was it the Air Jordan 6s, the Air Jordan 11 lows, or the Nike Off-White Dunks? With that said, we have the Ancient Origins XY pack to get into. So let's open this bad boy up. And hopefully we can get blessed by the RNG gods right now. Our luck has been so good lately on the channel, or not in the channel, but in real life. So here's my code card. I do play the online TCG, so I will not be giving away the code cards. 4 to the front, I think, for these packs, because it's more of a modern set. And here we go. Actually, I definitely messed that up because we already got the rare on the first card, but I'll join you guys over here. First up, we got Golurk Rare. We have a Hex Maniac. We got Ampharos Spirit Link. I love Ampharos, man. Vespa Queen, a Whooper. We got Golurk. Oh, the Golurk cards I have are usually psychic, so this is the rock type Golurk right here. We got Larvesta, Ralts, Baltoy, and I think this is gonna be the holo. Regirock, reverse holo. Oh, that's it. I just got teased so hard because of that green, that white code card we got. Interesting. No actual holo. We just got holo. I know that sounds funny. That is it for today's haul video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, of course, think about subscribing. Maybe check out another video and check out the Japan vlogs if you miss traveling and seeing cool stuff around the world. But with that said, new channel, SneakerTalk TCG. I'll leave a link down below. We're about to open up this bad boy over on there. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.